Are you planning a renovation project for your Philadelphia home? Renovations can be expensive, but we've got some great tips to help you make the most of your budget. Tip 1. Set realistic renovation goals. First, set realistic renovation goals based on your budget. Prioritize essential repairs and upgrades. Consider potential return on investment for each project. Work with a professional 203K contractor for guidance. Tip 2. Choose cost-effective products and materials. Research and compare prices for materials. Look for deals and consider salvaged or recycled materials. Consider alternatives to high-end finishes and materials. Get creative to achieve a great look without overspending. Tip 3. Prepare for unforeseen expenses. Hidden problems can increase costs. Discuss possible unforeseen expenses with your contractor. Ensure they are accounted for in the project plan. Tip 4. Consider design alternatives. Design alternatives can save money. Small changes can make a big impact. For example, update your kitchen with paint or new cabinet doors. Tip 5. Compromise on optional extras. Skip optional extras that aren't essential. Focus on features that improve functionality and livability. Prioritize what truly adds value to your home. Tip 6. Navigating the paperwork process. The 203K renovation process involves documentation and coordination. Work with an experienced 203K contractor. They can navigate the paperwork efficiently. Tip 7. Choose the right contractor. Finding the right contractor is crucial. Look for experience in 203K renovations. A good contractor helps you get the most from your budget. A cost-effective 203K renovation in Philadelphia is achievable. Matrix Company Solutions Corp. can help you optimize your 203K loan. Contact us today for a free consultation and a free estimate. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more home improvement tips.